study na lang. Where are we going? We're going to
store.
Saan ka pupunta? Going to school. So anong activity nyo tomorrow? Ay, tomorrow ba yun? O anong activity nyo sa school? Anong gagawin nyo?
Sa school.
Kaya nga, ano ang gagawin nyo? What?
And then she start.
Pray? And then? Eat? Pagka-pray, recess agad? And then what? Draw? Ah, so nagdo-drawing kayo. Nagdo-drawing pala kayo. Why? Ba't ka dito? Going to school. Eugene is going to school. Your classmate. Hi.
I'm the only one. I'm the classmate.
Wait lang, wait.